So I had a big root here, and you can see I have some pipe damage. So I had to cut out a large section of pipe. So there's a couple different ways you could repair this. One way you could use is just a coupling here and over here. But the problem with that is your pipe is so close to each other that really the only way you can do that is by bending the pipe out and trying to angle it in, and you have to let enough room so that the pipe can go in, and really it's just not a good fit to do it that way. Another thing I've seen on YouTube, which is an idea I rather like, is you cut out this section here, so you kind of turn this into a sleeve, and then you go over the pipe completely with the glue, and then you come back and you do that. I actually like that idea, but I tried it once and I didn't have a lot of success. It's a lot of work to cut that out, and it took me more time than I wanted. What most people recommend is that you get like a compression fitting and you get something designed to do that. The main problem with that is, for one, it's a bit more expensive to do it that way, but also unless you already have that on hand, when you're making a repair, sometimes you just want a quick and easy and cheap way to do it with the stuff you already have. So what I'm going to do is use right angles to just connect it here and here. Originally, I was planning on making this right angles as well, but I forgot that you have to get twice as many, and I don't have enough parts for that. But the length is long enough, I should be fine to just angle the pipe slightly and do another right angle here and go in without any issue. So when I glue this end in, I want to make sure that this end lines up basically like this. So when I have it dry, I want to make sure that this is lined up so I can put that last pipe in. Okay, now that this is in, all I have to do is pop a little piece in there and just close it up as much as I can. I'm good to go. I put all the glue on this at once, and then I tried to fit it in. It's too slow, so honestly I don't know if this is gonna hold. So a better idea is just to put it in the joint one at a time. This should go a lot smoother. We'll see. No, I didn't even bother turning on the water. I just didn't feel really good about this connection. So I went ahead, I had 2 more right angles and another coupler. So I just made that feel way better about that. All right, I turned the sprinklers on and everything is good. It is fixed.